All right, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks so much for joining me today. I wanted to take some time out. I was cooking me some dinner, and I wanted to show you guys how to make wingcrafters mustard fried chicken. So this is how we're going to start. We're going to take a little bit of onion powder here. We're going to just pre-season the meat just a little bit. A little black pepper, right? And a little bit paprika, just a little. And a little crushed red pepper as well. Just going to pre-season the meat just a little bit, just to get it to where we want it. You don't have to season a lot because the mustard's going to do that for you. And we're going to go ahead and flip the meat too. I like to flip mine and make sure that both sides of my meat are done. I don't like to leave it undone. So now you can use whatever seasoning that you want. You don't have to use the ones I used. These are the ones that I like to use though. Okay, so now we have that pre-seasoned. Now we're going to go ahead. What I like to do is put a little bit of black pepper. I season my flour as well. I don't just season the meat. That way you can definitely taste everything that you put in there while you get on the crust and inside the meat. So we're going to put the same spices right here in the flour. Okay? And that should be golden. Now we're going to go ahead and add our mustard to the meat. Just your regular mustard. You can use Dijon mustard if you want. You don't have to use regular mustard if you don't want to. And my cameraman's not here today, so I'm doing it all by myself. So bear with me, guys. But either way, it's going to get made. So now we got mustard on both sides here. Now we're going to go ahead and massage this mustard in, like so. But make sure you don't want to kick the seasoning off of the meat either. Make sure you get all in the crevices of your meat. Okay. Now, okay, we got that. Now from here, we're going to go straight into the flour. First, we're going to mix that flour a little, just like this here. Okay. Sorry about that. We got our flour mixed now. Had to mix it. Now we're going to go ahead and toss it in the meat, like so. Get it coated really nicely. Okay. Drop it in. We're going to do this other side, just like that. Coat that one really good. Coat it real good. Okay, now drop it in the grease. And I will see you guys in 12 to 14 minutes. Alright, now the mustard fried chicken is ready to come out of the oil. Grabbing it right now. And be careful, only toward the skin. Look at that there. Look at that crispy goodness. Look at how that came out. Look at that. Take a look at this drumstick here. How'd that come out? Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. And that is what we have, mustard fried chicken. Alright. Now, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, as well as try the recipe with your friends, and have fun tonight when you cook dinner. Till next time, see you again.